Starksville.
5 acres. So, fellas, what up? I got a job, man. I just turned down, and turned it down, man, because I think this land is so rough. I really don't want to put my mower on it. I think it's got to be bush hog, man. And I've seen somebody come out here and try to start it, and they didn't even finish the job. So that's telling me something right there. I rode around it on my mower, and man, I'm scared to damage something. I've got the first in the shop still, waiting on to get a word back. And the thing could cost me more than what it is. I mean, this land is rough. I ain't seen nothing like it. Now, get you over here, a couple of them, they're pretty flat and smooth, but whew, I had to break it to the guy. I'm like, man, this thing might cost me more than what it is. And I just, man, I gotta go with my gut. Times right now, the money is real tight, and I don't want to mess around and get one of these mowers on something. Then have another $400 or $500 problem. Not right now. And even the money with that's gonna be good. I told him, man, he might gotta have that thing bush hog. Like I said, it's somebody came out there and started. That thing's rough. You can't even I can't even full throttle. I mean, it looks flat when you pull up on it. I can't even full throttle the mower through it. I'm barely hitting the mower, and I'm just whole time just bouncing up and down, man. It's like little, I don't know what it is. That thing's rough as heck. And I decided I'm gonna have to turn it down, man. I mean, what would you do? I want you guys to leave some comments down in the comment section. Cause like I said at the beginning, I was taking on everything. And now, man, I'm at that point where I just don't want to take on a job to take on a job. Like, the job really has to fit. Today's a Saturday. I'm out. Usually don't do a Saturday. A little rain yesterday had me called back, so I got to get a couple of them. And I was actually had this down for Tuesday, but I told him, I said, man, I'll get out there Saturday morning and try to handle it for you. So I guess that's kind of good that I told him that I was coming out Saturday instead of Tuesday, so it kind of gives him a time to get somebody to get out there. And I'm gonna holler at a couple of my boys. I took some pictures, man. I got a couple of boys. I'm gonna holler at them, man, see if they wanna what they think. They might want to get a nice little pretty amount of change. I ain't gonna lie. I look at it, I probably would have been out there about 2 hours, maybe 2.5. It would have been pretty nice, but I just, man, I don't want to cut it. I'm just gonna keep it real, fella. Like I'd rather take, cause I could be out today. I'm gonna tell you what, it's gonna be Father's Day tomorrow. I'll be out today and I'll see somebody who's like, hey, I seen what you did today, yard. You come over here and get mine. Man, I figure I'd spend more time riding out today doing that than taking on a headache, cause I believe it's gonna be a headache. And then, like I say, it's one of those customers who's they're not here right now, but I sent them the link and everything. Thanks for all the guys out there too. Shout out to all the guys with the yard book information. That's great information. I want to thank y'all for that. That's some great information. But he's already ready to give everything, and man, I just don't want to do the job, man. That thing is rough. It's more than I want to handle. And even though I could take it, man, I could take that job right there. Probably buy me a nice piece of battery power equipment with it. You know what I'm saying? But I don't want to do it, man. I rode the land, surveyed the land a little bit. Man, that thing is horrible. They really need to get some it needs to be leveled out. It's just horrible, dude. I mean, I'm talking about riding on it. Nah, it's rough, real rough. And I want to take the jobs that fit and the jobs that work for me. Like I say, I don't mind working hard, but that was gonna be more of like a situation of overworked and underpaid. You know what I'm saying? Cause I probably would have had to shot the price up to maybe, man, I probably would have had to shoot the price up for me to handle that. And I got a couple of them, man, I shot down just because, man, people don't realize, all right, some people outside looking in think you can just hop on this mower and you go at it, just cut, not knowing, you know, stuff happens. And on those rough jobs, the likelihood of something happening goes up. It increases. It increases a ton, and I just can't afford it right now. I don't want to, you know, I think it's, I really should have got, I got it on the video, one of the videos a while back. I'll try to put something up in there and you'll see the little link to it. But tell me what you think, man. You guys just take on the work just to take on the work? Like I say, I'm just in my 3rd year in, trying to figure it out. So let me know what you think. Put some comments down in the comments section. If you ain't been watching, go ahead and subscribe, man. If you like the channel, you like the info, hit the bell to get the notification. Hit the thumbs up to get it out. So let me know what you think, man. I had to turn that one down today, man. That was, I had to turn it down. I'm gonna go with my gut, and I believe my gut is gonna serve me correctly. I'll never go against it again. So you guys have a great one. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, man. And holler at you later. Boneyard Lawn Service.
Start smoking.